Hi, this is Cherie with Rehashfiber. I would like to tell you about a truly exquisite yarn. It is by Louisa and the color I used was Rosabella. I first saw it at the yarn shop. Jane at Fiber Art Gallery has a really cool wrap made out of this yarn, out of this color, right as you come through the door. The wrap is laying across a figure of a llama. So every time I go in there, I see it, and I knew I loved the colors. They remind me of the 70s, which I had a great time in the 70s, and it just seemed really fun. And so, of course, after seeing it multiple times, I knew I had to do something with it. And then I was kind of in the mood for a crocheted skirt. I thought it'd be really cool to put it together. So it all came along very well. My friend was given a bunch of magazines that somebody had found at a yard sale. I thumbed through them and I found the Light and Lacy skirt. And that is by Doris Chan. And it was from Crochet Today, April and May of 2007. Anyway, it worked out perfectly. I had a blast crocheting it up. Now it just needs to be blocked and I need to line it, and then I will have a lovely skirt. I do want to show you some up close pictures of how decadent this yarn truly is. I do believe any project you would do with this yarn would be really great. And it's just super fun because the color change is frequent and it's always very interesting. And the yarn has a really neat kind of, you call it a texture to it. The way it's made is just really unique too. So I think you will just really enjoy using this yarn. And hey, if you decide to make this skirt, the Light and Lacy skirt by Doris Chan, just put that in the search engine. That will come up. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting.